Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats, and today we are making these yummy ranch pretzels. They're also known as crack pretzels, and they are the perfect easy recipe to make for Christmas. These are great for parties because it serves a lot of people, and they are so addictive, so yummy. Let's get started. Start by preheating the oven to 250 degrees. Then into a saucepan, you're gonna add 1 stick of salted butter and allow this to melt on low heat. Then add in just a dash of hot sauce. I like Cholula here because it's flavorful but not too spicy. Then just stir it up. You're gonna turn off the heat and just allow it to cool down. Okay, so when our butter is cooling down, we're gonna mix together our seasonings. We've got some ranch powder. We have some garlic powder. And a little bit of paprika. I like to use just regular paprika, not smoked. Smoked just has a really strong flavor. If you're into that, you can definitely use smoked, but I don't like it. All right, we're gonna whisk this up and just sit it aside until our butter is cooled off. So I like to put just a piece of tin foil over top of the cookie sheet just to eliminate some of the mess. And then we are gonna be ultra lazy and actually mix our ingredients in this bag. So I like to just take a couple of handfuls of the pretzels out. My kids actually ate them for lunch a couple days this week, so they're already gone. But I'm gonna add everything into this bag. If you don't wanna do it like that, you can always add it into a bowl, or you can add it into a gallon-sized bag as well. Just whatever you feel like is easier. Just use something like whatever you have, a bowl or something, just to hold the bag up. It's just easier that way, so you don't have to do both things. And then we're gonna pour our butter right into the bag. Just roll it down like this, just so that, you know, you make sure that no butter comes out, and then you just start shaking it up. All right, so our butter is nice and mixed. Now I'm gonna add in about half of the seasoning and give that a good shake. Okay, and then you can add the rest of it in. Okay, once you feel good about everything being mixed, we're just gonna pour it out onto a cookie sheet. Oh my gosh, these look so good. Just spread it out the best you can into a nice thin layer. And if they look like they need a little bit of a mixture, I know some of mine have a little bit more seasoning than others. You can just kind of mix them up like this. And these are ready to bake. And I'm just setting my timer for about 13 minutes. I wanna give them a nice toss halfway through. So I'll just cook them for 13 minutes and then another 12 afterwards. Once the pretzels come out of the oven, let them cool completely before serving. This is Hutch. He has terrible manners. He's our new puppy. These are so good. I love how it makes a bunch too, because this bowl will be gone in like 2 seconds at any Christmas party. That's it, we're all done with these easy ranch pretzels. This recipe is so easy, and look at my kitchen even stayed clean behind me. It's super easy cleanup, and I hope you guys decide to make them. Let me know in the comments if you do. And if you're looking for more holiday recipes, make sure to check out my Crescent roll cinnamon rolls and my peanut butter fudge. They've both been really popular lately. So I hope that you decide to make some of my recipes. Make sure to subscribe so that we can keep cooking together. I love sharing recipes. We've seen a lot of unhealthy ones this month just because it's Christmas, but in January we'll have a lot more healthy recipes coming up. So make sure to subscribe, and thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.